This is a complete step-by-step bubble braid tutorial broken down for absolute beginners. I'm going to show you exactly how to get clean sections, even spacing, and real volume right up close. Stick around for all the secrets to keep those bubbles perfectly round and lined up all day. Let's get into it. First, take a section at the top of your head. If you have bangs, leave them out so they don't get in the way. Secure this with a small elastic right along the part line to make a little ponytail. You can gently tuck the front up for a bit of extra volume. Totally optional. Next, part another section just a little further down. Just remember to brush through well before tying. That's the key to smooth, clean bubbles. Now connect the first ponytail to the second one. Tie the elastic right against the scalp at the base of that second ponytail. This closes any gaps and stops the braid from sagging. Now the fun part, the bubbles. The secret to those big gorgeous bubbles is simple. Just be patient and pull the hair outward little by little. Whether your hair is thick or fine, those small gentle pulls are what give you the most volume. So don't rush it. Continue the same steps. Section off some new hair, keeping the spacing consistent, and tie it. As you can see, we are making the new ponytail first and then tying the top one into it, so it's easier to control for beginners. Secure the tail of the top pony to the base of the new one right against the scalp. Now fluff it out to make your next bubble. If you have flyaways or frizz, a little volumizing powder or styling cream will give you a much cleaner, longer lasting hold. How many ponytails you do is totally up to you. Just keep the spacing even straight down the middle. Once you run out of the hair to add in, just keep placing elastics at the same spacing and fluffing as you go. Remember to pull gently from all sides so each bubble looks perfectly round and full. And there you have it, your stunning bubble braid. If this helped you out, a like and subscribe means the world to me. And if you want to take this even further, my next video is going to show you something you love. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.